How to edit sent messages on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can edit sent messages on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to edit sent messages on WhatsApp, go ahead and then first of all launch the WhatsApp application and head over to a specific chat. Now, let me just type in a certain message or a word such as anything as such. Now what I will do after this is I'll just hit the send option. Now sometimes maybe there could be a spelling mistake or maybe there could be a typo mistake. What do you do in that case? Well, in that case it's very simple. Long press the message that you would like to edit. After you've done that, click on the three dots icon located at the top right hand side, and here you'll find the option called edit. So all you have to do is make sure to click the edit button. And now simply make sure to enter the new message that you would like to enter over here. Once you've done that, hit the arrow icon on the right hand side to send the message. Now, it will also let the other people know that you have edited this message, as you can see the edited watermark. This way you will be able to go ahead and basically edit send messages on WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.